It was the best of times. We just survived 2024, and tomorrow is a Texas Thursday snow day, which can be very magical, fun, and awesome. It was the worst of times. Everybody's still fighting in Southern California. It's totally on fire. Just down the street, 2 hours ago, there was an explosion in Fort Worth, here in DFW, at a fire and a fire at a power substation. There is a mandatory evacuation order for Hollywood right now. Giant swaths of the Palisades and Malibu burned down last night and earlier today. And there have been many evacuation orders, and the latest is for parts of Hollywood. Some are in warning, some are mandatory. Look, hurricanes are one thing, winter storms are another thing. Fire is a completely different monster. Like if you have winds, definitely over 50 miles an hour, they can take embers and sweep them just for miles. You know? And if you are in the areas that are being asked or told mandatorily to evacuate, know that there's going to be some shitty traffic. And traffic in Los Angeles can be difficult when everyone's trying to evacuate. It can be extra problematic. So please stay cool. And the energy that hit the West Coast 36 to 40-ish hours ago is gonna, some of that atmospheric instability is gonna be sweeping over us. And by us, I mean Texas and the Texarlex, and Mizzy, Missouri. Uh, and then it'll go on. This thing will go to the east. So you definitely want to watch it if you're in Texas or the area that's going to get hit with the possibly really heavy rain, like floody rain. Like, holy shit, I did not think it would rain this much rain. Amounts possible. Ice, man, ain't no Texans good at that shit. Don't even get on the highway, man. You want to impress people, go get on a unicycle and take, in the ice. If you can ride around on a unicycle on the ice, maybe. Uh, but now I'm just saying don't drive tomorrow unless you are absolutely forced to. Or you're just like, hey, that's my thing. I like to drive on ice. I can't stop you. It's your choice. You're a grown ass adult. If you're not, you should not be watching this channel, this Asteroid Fight Club. The subjects are always intense. But we've made it through 2025. Did you know the first day was W, the second day was T, and the third day was F? And the last time we had a WTF year in the calendar, literally in the calendar, was 2020. And so, we trained from 2015 to get ready for 2020, and then technically we've been training for the last 5 years to get ready for 2025, and 2025's here, and it's crazy. So please stay cool. Keep loving your heart. Yeah, I'm gonna be drinking whiskey while it snows. Just letting you know. Now is not a good time to be dunking on each other about either climate change or politics, in my opinion. You can do whatever you want, but we're going to need some teamwork across the USA, man. Y'all. Like, how crazy is it? Now they're saying there's a UFO stuck in the volcano in Iceland. Just popping out. Like, hey, how are you? But it's blue. But hey, I don't know. Maybe that's AI. You never tell these days. Everybody stay cool. Play defense. Pray. Make excellent choices. Tell a good joke when you can. And if you're in the yellow, you have a chance Thursday or Friday getting some of the angry yellow snow, which turns into ice. And nobody likes that shit. We're talking down by Brownsville. All the way up to Raleigh. That could be ice as a major ice storm. And then snow people. Red means you could get a ton of snow. And blue means you get some snow over 1 to 3, 6 inches. And there will be anomalous dumps, I imagine. Oh, man. But so many places are going to look beautiful under blankets of snow. At least for 5 to 10 minutes. Or till everybody wakes up. And it's a good time to be grateful for all that is good in your life. At least that's my philosophy for sure in this exact moment. If you just stare at the storm, it's totally wild looking. Like super wild looking. So, how do you feel about the Gulf of Mexico / Gulf of America, Greenland, Canada? What are your thoughts? What do you notice? All right, there's never been a better time for everybody to work together. Stay safe, stay cool. I'll talk to y'all soon. God bless everyone. And if I say anything dumb, it's because holy shit, all this energy is so insane. Never want to say the wrong thing.